open to this goodness inside this pot. Guys, I made this yummy sauce that makes sense die. And who am I to hoard the ingredient from you guys and not show you how I made this yumminess inside this pot? So without further ado, let me introduce you to how I made this yumminess in this pot. Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share. The list of ingredients will be displayed on the screen, but I also use different bell peppers, I used onions, I used tomatoes. I went ahead to cut them in strips one by one, and I also used curry leaves. I used bell leaves too. This is me displaying all I used for this recipe for you. The protein of choice was turkey. I also mixed it with some chicken, vegetable oil, ginger and garlic paste, my curry, my nutmeg, rosemary and thyme, kitchen glory, and the other one that is under I did not even bother using because this stew already had natural flavor. To start the cooking process, I placed my pan on fire, went in with my vegetable oil, allow it to heat up for some minutes. Then I went in with 1 onions just to build a little bit of flavor in the oil. Then I went in with my protein and decided to fry to golden brown. You can grill it if that's what you're comfortable doing. It's golden brown and I'm going to remove it and let's continue cooking in full. I went in with my onions and allowed it to fry for it to release this goodness and aroma that the onions has to offer. Then I just stirred everything to combine. Next up, I went in with my garlic and ginger paste. Guys, you know I love garlic and ginger paste. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. If you just hear my voice for the first time, you're absolutely welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Next up, I went in with my tomatoes and gave it a good turn and allowed it to fry. Let me tell you a short story. The first day I prepared this sauce, I went to the market and I bought tomatoes. I didn't want to just cook regular stew for that Sunday, and I bought tomatoes, bought bell peppers. I just admired the bell peppers I saw and I just bought it, and I went home and I created this yumminess. And after that time, guys, it was so delicious I needed to recreate it for you guys to see. So I went in with my dry spice, which consists of curry, rosemary, nutmeg, a little, and thyme. Next up, I went in with my bell peppers. See magic. Then I stirred everything to combine, guys. You want everything to enter at this point so that they will all have to release their individual flavor that they own. I'm just stirring everything together so that they will understand their assignment and let them marry well. This sauce is filled up with flavor. It's filled up with flavor. I cannot over exaggerate it. I went in with my fresh pepper. If you don't eat pepper, please don't add this much. I like my food or love my food very spicy. Then I just stirred everything to combine. Don't make your stew always boring. You can make some sauce that you just enjoy with your family that is not boring. It's not every time normal stew put on fire. I have other stew recipe on my channel. You can check that out, and I have more to still come, which I've already filmed and I'm going to bring your way. I'm going to make Christmas worth it for you guys. Then I went in with the stock from the turkey and chicken that I boiled, and I stirred everything to combine. I went ahead to cover the pot and brought it to a boil. Guys, I seen how it's boiling pretty very well. Hey, check this food on this stew. Oh God, it makes sense. I'm very serious. I just came to stir everything. Guys, are you seeing the tomatoes already even melting? Next up, I went to my protein and I just placed it inside so that it will start understanding what it's supposed to understand in this food. Let them marry Biko. Oh, I just stirred everything together to combine. Guys, I want you to recreate this recipe and please tag me on any social media. Please just tag me. I went to Kitchen Glory just to amplify the taste, because the flavors you have in this pot cannot be overemphasized. Guys, try this recipe out. No jokes. Then I went ahead to stir everything together to combine. I forgot to add my green salt spice, so when I remembered, I rushed to the freezer to get it, and I'm like, how will I forget to add this yumminess in this dish? Ha! The flavors has to be complete, and I covered the pot and allowed it to melt and brought everything to a boil. At this point, I went in with seasoning cubes and a little bit of salt to taste. I just stirred everything together. Guys. Hey, Chimo. It's in poto poto. Oh my goodness. I think I'm exaggerating too much, but I'm not. I'm serious, I'm not. I just covered everything and brought it to a boil again. I went in with my curry leaf at this point. You don't need to slice it. I just stirred everything together. Only the taste of the bell peppers makes this meal worth it. Ah, my goodness. Guys, I covered it and brought it to a boil, Jerry. Guys, let me introduce you to goodness and mercy shall follow me in one pot. Hey, Jesus. And I enjoyed this deliciousness with rice and salad. Guys, it was complete, full package. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.